Puerto Rico, a 100 by 35 mile island that is home to over 3.5 million U.S. citizens, home to an agricultural industry that was slowly picking up due to the hard work of the experienced farmers and the determination of the many millennials that placed their bets on agriculture in the past couple of years. However, on September 6, 2017, Hurricane Irma, a Category 4, made landfall in the northeast coast of Puerto Rico. And just 2 weeks later, Hurricane Maria finished the job by plowing right through the island at a grueling slow speed. The aftermath was complete devastation. For the first time in nearly 100 years, Puerto Rico witnessed the wrath of a Category 5 hurricane, and for the first time ever, lived through 2 storms in a 2-week span. Restoring the agricultural industry to what it was will require a lot of help. We need over 20,000 dairy and meat cows, close to 200,000 chickens, over 18 million coffee trees, and 20 million banana and plantain plants. Puerto Rico farmers need urgent financial help, as well as immediate assistance getting seeds and livestock. If not, we will witness the extinction of Puerto Rico's agricultural industry and say goodbye to the only source of food security the U.S. citizens of Puerto Rico had left.